Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Look what have I got. This is a Insta360 X4, and apart from that I have also bought the motorcycle mount, which is the bundle for Insta360. So this is the previous version which was launched last year. This is the Insta360 X4. This is not the latest version. X5 is the latest version, but I got it for a very good deal, and it was a long due on my channel, so I wanted to experience the Insta360, hence I went for the X4. This is a good starting point, and this is a very much capable camera. So I have already unboxed it, and the camera is right over here. It comes in a pouch like this. I don't want to unbox this and bore you guys with all those things. You will see a lot of videos of unboxing, so let's switch it on and dive straight into the camera. So this is the 360 camera, and it has a lot of features. I'm yet to explore a lot of things on this. So let's take this out and mount it on the bike and see how the footage looks like. This is the first test I'm going to do with my Insta360, and I have mounted this clamp on the rear grab rail. It is very firm, it is sturdy, it is not shaking, and I'm using the invisible selfie stick to get this side of the shot where you will see the GPR exhaust and me riding the motorcycle. Let's see how it goes. Let me switch on the camera. Yeah, it started recording. Just hoping that the footage is nice and crisp. I don't want to take any chances with the camera. That's why I am riding it very slow. Now change of angle. I have mounted it in this angle so that it will capture the back side when I'm riding the motorcycle. Let's see how it captures. I just hope the footage came out well, but I find it very risky. I constantly feel that the camera might fall down, but this is how the footage look. I'm also planning to mount this ahead, so let me mount it over there and see how the footage comes out. Now the camera is mounted straight up on the mirror. Let's see what's the footage it captures. So this was the video that I wanted to take to test the Insta360 X4. I could have gone for the X5, but I found a cheaper deal on the X4, and it's a starting point with the 360 cameras for me. So I thought, let's not spend much. I was getting it at a very good deal, hence I bought it. So yeah, that was it in this video, and do post your thoughts in the comment section below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because it is free for you, but it definitely helps me a lot. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.